Why can't LightyearVPN be installed in Huawei HongMeng system? When installing LightyearVPN on a Huawei mobile phone, you sometimes encounter this problem. With the error message, a risk item is found, the signature is inconsistent, and the application may have been modified. This is because Huawei mobile phones have upgraded the HongMeng system, and the Android system can be installed directly. Huawei HongMeng system is designed with a pure mode in terms of software installation. When this mode is turned on, all applications must be installed from the Huawei App Store. Some friends find it inconvenient. How can NA HongMeng turn off the pure mode? Let's take a look. 1. Open the phone settings and click the system and update option. 2. Click pure mode to enter, and click exit to close the pure mode. Refer to the following IMG. After exiting pure mode, you can install LightyearVPN. Download the APK Android installation file.